We say mo bibi akwa by from Penax TV so many okase dey come here said the resetting agenda no akwa koju the Ghana Police Service so isan say eye Sargent baako asebe or the Ghana Police Service ni mu no ne ho akwa koba asem a sabrede asem no ka de say aginsem isan say efa ye mampani John Dramani Mahama amanfo James police ni na so ebe hyepa yenka bi hyemu enen de okopie e wo social media no eso a TikTok to be precise Sargent Samuel Agbemanyale a sebe wodi ni djuma e wo Ghana Police Service ni emu ebe ye video e de farm mampani John Dramani Mahama ne private jet a o use no ho yin enim se mampani bia de obetu kwan ni ade obeyisu private jet now so as to baby a private jet ni si ne ho niema ne akade de enye details bi asebe eda mountain bebre now so apparently we share video a etwego screen sisu dia NHS Sargent Samuel so pese obua Ghana for ma yehu said the private jet amampani editu kwan no ne tibia ne fire by etie ente enye to ketwa enode yen akom now so sana de na wo ye nyina no na wo sumo no akasa ne ho afidie ewo eye na djuma wo ye ewo Ghana Police Service no emu now ye be kwa kwhwe video no na ye hwe video ni ewie a Ghana Police Service de krata tententi abetudwa wo muchem se police ni sebe wato emra enunti omo etwe naso ye kwhwe video ni emra ye ba ye betu ansem no so e dia.
As I told you earlier, now we are closer to the jet. We are closer to it. You can see it.
Yeah,
yes. This is the private jet the president brought.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you see it?
Okay.
Can you see it? Yes. We are right under it. This is the jet the president brought.
So this is the way they open here down.
Yes, you can see it. Yes. Can you see it? I'm under the wing. Yes. Yes, you can see it. And you see it here? This is the jet. Right here with us. Yeah. New year. Brand new. You see it? Yes. You can see it for yourself. This is it. This is the jet. See it? You see it? This is the jet. Very beautiful jet. Of course. Very beautiful. At Ho Airport. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Abusian for that is Sargent Samuel Agbemanyale na sebe wonu ankasa akwakope ne ho asem wode ne nsa de sum wonu ankasa ne ho afidie esanse video okoye no ene nam so ama in Ghana Police Service this akrata ye ho screen sis wabetuja. So this is coming from the Public Affairs Directorate of the Police Headquarters. Please interdict 5 officers for act of misconduct on social media. Into one, so the Ghana Police Service has interdicted the fleeing personnel of the service for various acts of misconduct involving the use of police uniform for unauthorized purposes on social media. Into the decline, sebe ne police ID na ebohono ono Sargent Samuel Agbemanyale na Dr. So emienu Corporal Isaac Mpere na Dr. So miensa enso Corporal Samuel Agbo. And the torso and 9 Corporal Charles Odro and the torso enumno Constable Elizabeth Deka Koko. Obase also too. They have since been referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for further investigations and necessary disciplinary actions. Signed by Richmond Mensah, Deputy Superintendent of Police for the Director General Public Affairs. Internet to say Chemasa any way and sebe omakoshe police uniform akwakotena TikTok because they say the TikTok ye okrom hanum say no and then ye wo display ni ade now so yen sha say free yera Samuel Agbemanyale ono ni video na ye di kan yekohwe ya na wo ma ye clear view che say we the tour guide papa nye se bia ye kutua so wo ma ye on fa ye nkoto on the private jet say they tia na say bibisa but ono ankasa aye ne ho tour guard and wo boaye e wo sa kwan no so Chris Sergent a friend is saying Samuel ne video ye beto mbontin, so we've seen a lot of reactions a man for reacted to it, say it was a wrong thing for him to do, say a whole private jet sebe mampeni tinemu editu kwani ade na ode ho details bi say abeto mbontin na say mampeni ne nkwa ena wode to assign mu. I believe say what it take this kind of a year in some amount for edit to social media and also concerning this act.
Yes, I think yeah, I mean we all do say some of this act, and I say I did it wasn't a good thing to do.
Okay.
Because I don't know the motive, but I heard a TikToker, what say he's very active there.
Okay.
And the video, you means the couple likes and views. Nasi say yeah interdicting I because I same way because this is a high profile vehicle.
Okay.
What I say, president in the private jet or their domestic travels. Not what some of these videos because say obi person oye bibia fa private jet we want. It can go through a year sa papa ho na sa ensem yetimi akoso and I say obi betimi study video yi na so person oye bibi e was jet no ho na affect president na obi ebetimi aye enti we me say it is also a high profile crime and I said bonnie and awedi na it is necessary said the police for are interdicting on base of the it is the right thing to do.
Okay.
And on my end, yeah.
Okay. Now from the release they buy o share statement I buy na just so say the rest of the year police men are omudin abe for insem we mu omakoshe uniform akoye dia enkan wo say wo me den akodi social media agro ni ade. These are not the first people yehu omo say omo security personnel sa omugina social media so TikTok to be precise. Now omo ebi isa maybe your content. I mean, we have other security agencies like the military, the fire service, and what have you. Don't you think that it's high time a strict fairness and regulation is being put in place to curb this attitude that echoes so by this security personnel or social media and so?
Yes, you see, in the first place, no, when you wear your uniform, you are not supposed to do some of these things.
Okay.
You see, a bit more, a whole lot of things. But we have some other personnel that they use their social media to educate.
Okay.
Do you understand? Enti eya na amana ko ho asem ka no akoye bibi ho.
Okay.
But then ideally say wo share uniform nya afi na wo koye si ebe hu say wo picture bi da abontia na e bi a parade and I say some reportage bi na wakwa frame but say wo share uniform wa twen camera si so any ade it speaks a lot. I think it is right. Said all kind of say some regulations. I'm sure say we'll hold some with some of the ethics and we'll hold them that. But then said of the kind of mean come boom.
Okay.
What I say now I say okay, you're joining now because there are some of them they go out there and educate. Social media handles so I mean more tnaswa or more emphata with some this reported misconduct in India. I mean when they are able to fish them out said your mind interdict your money and run in your money.
Okay, but then after this video called viral, no, what have been the reactions from people? Say Ibia, there is no harm in the video he did. Ibia one because a video no is private jet no is ha anasisi in Kebia when say be interdict.
Honestly, this is purely a security threat to the president.
Oh, okay.
Baby, I will continue when I watch a plane way move. President, yes, Oba ebesi one president is here. Obi wants the president in but for you to go close and get the detailed parts of the plane, no,
wings near the
original rings, nothing meaning chicken wings. Original rings, nothing actually said I'm under the wings near the. I mean, this is too detailed.
Okay.
What I say, and she said police near so a president who buy. You know, you adwene man ekoye saade no but then na me kind be uncle pe views ne likes kakra bi dia kwakoye na ade e na say na akoto a problem no be comment because say followers no be betua ne rent amano in case say yi na dia And see, I mean, it's not a good thing for him to do. Yeah.
Ebusiafo na chese in Sargent Samuel and akwa akopene ho asem ama na basa, but then said the enua be ma ne ka no, it has got more to do with the security of the president. Nti yenhwe ba bia Ghana Police Service for ebesoa asem we yakwa kuju ye de ho nsem